Findability Sciences is a global technology and solutions company which is focused on cognitive and big data solutions. Findability Platform is primarily a big data framework and infrastructure which then uses and takes the power of cognitive computing to provide insights. The data is stored in Hadoop. We use IBM Big Insight for doing it. Then on top of that, then we deployed IBM Watson APIs for doing the cognitive computing. So whether it is text analytics or finding personality insights for any individuals or doing image processing, we use Watson connection to that, and then that output is used through our algorithm output for predictive and pattern-based predictions. And that's the whole architecture we have using IBM technology, and this all sits into IBM Cloud. So it's in IBM software, it's hosted there and managed by IBM Cloud. Indian Institute of Technology uses this solution for creating the profiles of alums, the past students, and use it effectively in building relationship with those. IBM Cloud really helps for companies or partners like us in really jump-starting any of our product or solution. It reduces our time to go to market.